Hey my loves, today we are making cinnamon swirl lip gloss. Yes, yes.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey y'all, it's me, your girl LAL here. Lovely angel lady, just sanitizing my hands and gloving up like we always do. Follow your girl on social media, please. Por favor, and thank you. And we are going to go ahead and start out with our coconut oil, our liquid coconut oil, and we are doing 3 tablespoons. Okay, now we're going in with our grapeseed oil. Alright, 3 tablespoons of that. Please like, comment, and share, loves. Sharing is caring. We're going to now add our deodorized cocoa butter wafers. And we're going to drop in 7 of those bad boys. You heard me? This helps the lips retain that moisture, but now we're going to put in our refined coconut oil as well. And that's why we use this in the liquid. But it helps the gloss be really like creamy and nice and thick. Please thumbs up this video, y'all, if you are liking the information that I am giving y'all. We're going to go ahead and microwave that for 1 minute and then let it sit for 15 minutes to cool off. So while I allow that to cool off, I always just go ahead and get my Versagel. And I like the base from No Problema, of course. And so that's about 2 cups, y'all, okay? I can eye it at this point. And then we're going to go in with our polyisobutene, just going in with 1 tablespoon of that. And then a drop full of Lynn Natural Cosmetic Preservative. Use yours of your choice. And here's our flavoring oil. Okay? Cinnamon roll. So, yeah, because this is cinnamon swirl. And now we're going to sweeten it with our organic monk fruit. And then it's 0 calories. It's good and safe. And now we're going in with our roasted chestnut. And this is liquid lip pigment from TKB. And now we're using the log cabin one. And we're going to also go in with some mica powder. And I like to go in with a copper shade and another shade. But it gives it like a very like metallic copper look. Not super metallic, but it makes it, shimmer just slightly, because this is it's not a glittery gloss or anything like that, but the mica powder does give it a little bit of more copper tint. Since it's cinnamon swirl, it's only right. Yeah, I want to be sure to stir it really well, but yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more pigment and just mix it up because I wanted it a little bit darker, but it's supposed to be a reddish brown tint. So we're gonna go ahead, and this is my favorite part. We added our pigment oil mix, and now we're going to mix that in with our lip gloss base from No Problema. And y'all, it's sped up, so no, I'm really not Speedy Gonzalez, okay? I'm not going that fast. So you want to take your time because you get less bubbles that way. So I'm just letting you know that the video is sped up just to shorten the video some for y'all, of course. I'm going to use the glass jar method that I used in the previous video that I showed y'all previously, because I have so much gloss to do. I have a lot of gloss tubes to fill, and so this definitely makes it easier. The worst part is making sure that you thoroughly clean the glass jar. So I'll have to come back and show y'all how to properly do that in another video. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing how I clean the jar to get it spick and span to where it's not oily and it's no other lip gloss residue left in there. But we just use a spoon because this can be very messy, and we just kind of spoon the gloss into the jar. But I like the glass jar because when you pump it, the bottle's not plastic and squeezing inward and, squeezing gloss out of the top and making a hot mess. So we just wipe the top off. We're going to screw on the lid and we're going to start pumping our gloss, filling our tubes. You'll notice that when I do fill these tubes, this is a 15 ml squeeze tube, by the way, but I'll fill it partially and then lightly squeeze. I'll press on the bottom just a little bit just to make sure that the gloss spreads evenly across the bottom of the tube, and then I will continue pumping. And then this also helps to make sure there's not like a whole bunch of air and bubbles and stuff in there. But yeah, so that's why you see me stop and like squeeze a little bit at the bottom just to make sure all the gloss has moved to the corners, so you don't have like, gloss missing on one end of the tube. Like, I cannot stand that. It looks so cray. So anywho, how we are just pumping away, pumping away. Hey, y'all know I'm cray. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm just being silly on me. But yeah, so pretty much straightforward. Let me know down in the comments below if y'all do have questions. If it's something that maybe you don't understand, I would, be more than happy to try to help you as much as I possibly can. This gloss is good and pigmented, and what I like the most about the ingredients that we use, they help lock the moisture in your lips. But when you run out of gloss or you find that you're low on gloss, you just get the remainder that's left in your bowl and just kind of scrape that into the jar. And then you continue filling your tubes, girl. Yes, you gotta do it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, y'all. So yeah, gotta get that work, gotta get the work done. Using this method to fill tubes does get easier, but I'm just going ahead and capping them pretty much, putting on the little tops and everything, the little caps, just screwing those on. You see how quick and easy this is, y'all? You've already got them filled. All you got to do is grab them, pop that on, screw the top on, and you are good to go. That's how we like to do it, sugars. Get it done. Get it crack-a-lackin'. So yeah, y'all, and I was wearing my MG shirt, my myasthenia gravis shirt, because y'all know I have MG, so I'll just be, spreading awareness. But I love this shirt. The little elephant is so cute. But y'all, this gloss smells like fresh cinnamon rolls. It smells so freaking good. And I like that it's sweetened, so it just goes together, But this is our finished product right here. Please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, my loves. I'm gonna catch you next time. Comment down below.